Hello. Today we are looking at how to install Godot on a Chromebook. Firstly, we will turn on Linux apps. To do this we will go to our system settings and click on the advanced section on the left panel. Now we click on the developer section. Now we will turn on the Linux apps. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to run several commands in a terminal, which will install the application. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift, and V together. This command will update our Linux apps repositories. Press Enter. Now we will install Flatpak. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Now we will enable the official FlatHub repository on our Chromebook. Now we will install the application. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Press Enter again. Now we need to set permissions for a tool which we need to launch the application. The application is now installed on your Chromebook. Let's launch it. Enjoy!